Hi there! Here is the Saregama Carvaan Soundbar, and it has two big advantages when compared to regular soundbars. First, 1000 preloaded evergreen songs that you can play at a touch of a button. The best thing is it also comes with app support, so you can actually choose the song to play directly from here. Another amazing add-on is that it comes with two wireless karaoke mics. Your house parties will be so much more fun. It comes with 120 watt sound output, clubbed with the subwoofer, which should provide a pretty solid experience. Let's quickly unbox it, see how it looks, how it performs, how it sounds, so you can decide if you should buy this Saregama Carvaan Soundbar or not. Let's begin. So here is the retail packaging, and let me tell you, it's a huge box. Some of the features are mentioned here. Then on the side you can see that the contents are mentioned, some manufacturing details, and the MRP of 19,990. Let's open it up. So here's everything that you get inside the box. Here's the sound bar, here's the huge subwoofer. Then you get these two boxes. The first one is this white box which says Saregama Carvaan Musicbar accessories. Now trust me, I've opened so many soundbars and most of the accessories are just thrown inside the box. Here you have them organized inside a box. First is the power plug, a braided 3.5mm aux cable, an HDMI cable, metal stands to wall mount the soundbar, a user manual and song booklet, two AAA batteries for the remote, and finally the remote. Now this is a really nice compact infrared remote. As you can see, it has got all the input ports here, power button here, Saregama songs you can play from here, D-pad to navigate, bass equalizer, treble equalizer, mute bass, then you have all your modes, music, movie, news, 3D, really nice and easy to use. Coming to my favorite part, the black box. Now this is a lovely steel box as you can see with Carvaan branding on it, and inside you have the two wireless mics. Check out the quality of the mics and even see the quality of the box packaging. So after you're done using the microphones, you place them inside here so you can use them and find them easily. Really nice. You also get 4 Duracell batteries included. Really cool. So we'll start with a closer look at the subwoofer. It's made of wood, the build and finishing is very impressive. On the side, you can spot the cloth mesh fabric covering the 6.5-inch subwoofer driver. It has a 70 watt sound output for enhanced deep bass. The bass reflex cone is towards the back, and if you look closely, it's got this plastic mesh inside to prevent rats from entering. It's a very smart idea. Then single aux wire at the back which connects to the subwoofer. Talking about the soundbar, the body and frame are made of plastic with metal mesh grille in the front. Carvaan branding right in the center in rose gold. Very classy. Both edges have this lovely wood texture design which gives the soundbar a very premium feel. The length of this soundbar is 35 inches, which is ideal for 43-inch TVs and above. 4 front firing drivers with a total output of 50 watts. Now, all the buttons are on the top. Also worth noticing the rose gold metal strip around it. Very classy. So let's have a quick look at the buttons on the top. Now I've actually plugged the power source in. As you press it, turns green. The first one is Saregama mode. You can see the blue light up. This will play the 1000 pre-installed songs on the soundbar. There you go. What we're going to do is come to the next song. It'll keep changing songs. Then this is FM
mode.
Then this is Bluetooth
mode. HDMI mode. USB mode, and this is also for the aux. Karaoke mode.
Now your microphones are Bluetooth paired and can be used with the soundbar. Then this is the pause play button, the previous button, the next button, and the volume up and down button. All the ports are towards the back, starting with the FM radio antenna wire, DC power in, woofer out, HDMI port with ARC support, USB port, aux in and coaxial. So optical port is lacking on this soundbar. Instead we have coaxial, which I don't think is a big deal considering HDMI ARC is available. Alright, enough specs and features, it's time to experience the audio.
I need to find a motive for murder.
Everyone would stab a friend in the back to hold on to this rich bastard.
Gilda. You're all friends. Why would anyone commit murder?
Are we even going to talk about the elephant in the room? Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home, on my own, in the zone. That's the only way I know, feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off as friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really.
Okay, firstly, the soundbar gets loud enough, and even at full volume, I didn't experience any audio distortion. Then we get 4 sound profiles which you can change from the remote. There's music, there's movie, there's news, and there's 3D. Now 3D creates a nice echo and wide surround sound effect which is ideal to listen to soft music. Then there's news mode, which is where vocals are enhanced. It's perfect while watching the news itself or while watching interviews. Then the movie and music profiles are very similar, punchy deep bass and very dynamic sound. Overall, I can say that the sound quality on the soundbar is above average. The bass is nice and deep, the highs are sharp. Now you can adjust the bass and trebles from the remote too. But since it lacks any kind of a display, it's harder to know the range. But of course, with time you'll get used to it, and that's more than you can expect in a soundbar in this price range. Also, there is a mute bass button that turns off the subwoofer completely. So for example, if you're listening to the news or you just want to focus on the instruments, it's a really good feature to have. Then we played music via the pen drive and Bluetooth, and they both worked really well. Then when you press this Saregama button here,
mode.
it starts playing the preloaded songs on the soundbar. Amazing. There you go. I'm so sorry.
HDMI mode.
I'm sorry I have to turn this off to prevent copyright issues. But it's an amazing experience to listen to these evergreen classics any time of the day. But there's a problem. You don't know which is the next song, or you can't even choose the song you want to play. Well, to simplify, there is a song booklet which Carvaan has provided where all the list of songs are mentioned here. But adding to it is the Carvaan app, from where you can actually choose which song you want to play. It's very convenient. Your parents and grandparents are absolutely going to love it. Judge me all you want, I too love these evergreen classics. And now with these karaoke mics, you can even sing along. Let's have a quick look at these karaoke wireless mics. Now this is a wireless mic, and as you can see, the build quality is phenomenal. Check that out. Matte finish, really well built. Saregama Carvaan branding here, rose gold finish on the button and the base. Now this base section opens up, and this is where you place 2 AA batteries. And this connects over 2.4 GHz Bluetooth, so there is no delay in sound. Very, very nice. Turn it up to connect. Now these mics come paired with the soundbar. All you need to do is enable the karaoke mode from the soundbar. Once this is turned on, put the batteries in it and slide it up, and this will turn on. Play your favorite song on YouTube or Bluetooth and sing along. Trust me, these mics sound really good. And it already has that echo effect to it, so it makes your house parties like rock concert. By the way, these mics come with 3 profiles. One is balanced, vocals and music. In the balanced mode, the mic audio and the music audio are at equal level. In vocal mode, the mic volume is higher and the music mode is comparatively lower. So someone who's a great singer, it's good for them. Then there's music mode, where music is louder and the mic volume is a little softer. Perfect for a bad singer like me. Now the Saregama Carvaan Soundbar is a really cool package, but it has its con too. Well, actually there's just one for me. It lacks a display, which I realized is really important. Sometimes we don't know where volume is, sometimes we don't know what input source is selected. But again, it's not a deal breaker either. You get 120 watts sound output with subwoofer, 1000 preloaded songs, 2 karaoke mics, and it actually sounds pretty good. It's a deal you won't get in any other soundbar. It's priced at just 10,990. I'll leave the link in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.